Did you know that there's a treasure trove of affordable machines on Amazon that can help you start your own business and generate income? Whether you're looking to dive into the world of event entertainment, personalized products, or unique food creations, there's something for everyone, all for under $500. Imagine the possibilities, transforming a hobby into a profitable venture or adding a new income stream with minimal investment. And guess what? We've compiled a list of some of the most exciting and profitable machines that you can get your hands on without breaking the bank. From video booths to mini drones, these gadgets are not just fun, but also practical money makers. We've included links in the description so you can check out the prices or buy them directly. Let's get started. First up is the 360 Video Booth. This amazing device is perfect for events, allowing users to create immersive video experiences. Known for its 360-degree recording capability, this booth delivers a unique and engaging experience for any event, ensuring you capture every angle. It also features easy setup and portability, which means you can transport it to various events with ease. Imagine using this at weddings, parties, or corporate events and seeing how it draws crowds and boosts engagement. One standout feature is its compatibility with social media sharing. It's perfect for instantly sharing moments online. Plus, its sleek design makes it easy to set up and break down, making it an excellent companion for both indoor and outdoor events. Next up is the Photo Booth. Built with high-resolution cameras, this booth provides clear and crisp photos, making it ideal for creating memorable snapshots. This model also includes customizable backgrounds and props, allowing for creative and fun photo sessions. Picture using it at birthday parties, graduations, or community events and experiencing how it enhances the celebration atmosphere. A notable aspect is its user-friendly interface. It's designed for easy operation by guests of all ages. Additionally, its compact size makes it simple to transport and set up, perfect for both small gatherings and large events. Our third product is the laser engraving machine. Known for its precision, this engraver delivers detailed and accurate designs. Perfect for personalizing items like jewelry, glass, or wood. It also features a user-friendly software interface, which means you can easily create and upload your designs. Imagine using this machine to create custom gifts or branded merchandise and seeing how it adds a unique touch to your products. One standout feature is its compatibility with various materials, allowing for versatile use in different projects. Plus, its compact design makes it a great addition to any workspace, whether you're working from home or in a small studio. Next, we have the Ice Maker machine. This efficient device is perfect for producing large quantities of ice quickly, ideal for parties or small businesses like cafes or food trucks. It features a fast freezing technology, which ensures you always have a steady supply of ice. Imagine using this machine during summer events or busy weekends and never running out of ice. A notable aspect is its ease of use. Simply fill it with water, set your preferences, and let it do the rest. Additionally, its compact size makes it easy to place in kitchens or outdoor areas, making it versatile for various occasions. Fifth on our list is the Upholstery Water Vacuum Cleaner. Known for its powerful suction, this cleaner is perfect for the deep cleaning carpets, sofas, and car interiors. It also features a built-in water tank, which means you can easily switch between wet and dry cleaning modes. Picture using it to refresh your home's upholstery or to offer a specialized cleaning service. One standout feature is its portability. It's designed with wheels and a lightweight body, making it easy to move around. Plus, its efficient design ensures thorough cleaning without leaving residue, making it an excellent tool for both household and professional use. Next is the Mini Professional Drone. Equipped with high-definition cameras, this drone captures stunning aerial footage, perfect for photography and videography enthusiasts. It also features stable flight controls, allowing for smooth and precise maneuvers. Imagine using this drone to capture scenic landscapes or dynamic event shots and seeing how it enhances your creative projects. A notable aspect is its foldable design, making it easy to carry and store. Additionally, its user-friendly controls make it accessible for beginners and experienced pilots alike, perfect for various outdoor activities and creative endeavors. The Coffee Roaster machine is up next. This device is perfect for coffee enthusiasts looking to roast their own beans at home. It features adjustable temperature controls, allowing for precise roasting to suit your taste. Imagine using this machine to create your own custom coffee blends and enjoying the freshest coffee every morning. One standout feature is its compact design, which makes it suitable for kitchens of all sizes. Plus, its easy-to-clean components ensure hassle-free maintenance, making it a great addition to any coffee lover's arsenal. Next is the sublimation machine. Known for its versatility, this machine is perfect for transferring designs onto various materials like mugs, t-shirts, and plates. It features high-quality printing capabilities, ensuring vibrant and durable results. Imagine using this machine to create personalized gifts or custom merchandise, and seeing how it elevates your business offerings. A notable aspect is its user-friendly interface, which simplifies the design transfer process. Additionally, its compact size makes it a practical addition to home offices or small workshops, perfect for both personal and commercial use. The oil press machine is our 9th product. This handy device is ideal for extracting fresh oils from nuts and seeds, perfect for health-conscious individuals. It features a high extraction efficiency, ensuring you get the most out of your ingredients. Imagine using this machine to make your own natural oils for cooking or skincare and enjoying the benefits of pure homemade products. One standout feature is its simple operation. Just add your ingredients and it takes care of the rest. Plus, its compact design makes it easy to store and use in any kitchen. Finally, we have the paste filling machine. This device is perfect for filling various containers with liquids or pastes, ideal for small businesses or home use. It features adjustable filling volume, allowing for precise and consistent results. Picture using this machine to package sauces, creams, or lotions, and seeing how it streamlines your production process. A notable aspect is its user-friendly controls, which make it easy to operate and adjust. Additionally, its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable tool for any small-scale production setup. To help you decide which machine suits your business needs, let's group them based on the type of business they cater to. For event-related businesses, consider the 360 video booth and the photo booth. These machines are perfect for adding entertainment value to events and can be rented out for weddings, parties, and corporate events. If you're interested in personalized products, the laser engraving machine and the sublimation machine are excellent choices. These machines allow you to create custom gifts, branded merchandise, and personalized items that are always in demand. For those looking to enter the food and beverage industry, the ice maker machine, coffee roaster machine, and oil press machine offer unique opportunities. These machines can help you start a small cafe, sell homemade oils, or roast coffee beans to perfection. For cleaning and maintenance services, the upholstery water vacuum cleaner is a great investment. It allows you to offer specialized cleaning services for homes and cars. For creative and tech enthusiasts, the Mini Professional Drone provides an exciting way to capture stunning visuals, making it perfect for photography and videography projects. Lastly, the paste filling machine is ideal for small-scale production businesses, allowing you to efficiently package products like sauces, creams, or lotions. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to see the prices or make a purchase. Transform your entrepreneurial journey with these incredible machines. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tips. See you in the next video.